Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set reminders in Salesforce and stay on top of follow-ups. In today's fast-paced business world, keeping track of all your tasks, follow-ups, and deadlines can be quite overwhelming. Missing out on important deadlines or failing to follow up on time can mean lost opportunities. This is where Salesforce comes in handy, offering a robust way to set reminders and manage your tasks efficiently. Today, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of setting reminders in Salesforce so you can stay organized and never miss an important task again. To get started, the first essential step is logging into your Salesforce account using your credentials. If you are new to Salesforce and don't have an account yet, simply click on the Sign Up option and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you are all set, you can dive into the world of Salesforce to enhance your productivity. Now that you are logged in, let's get down to setting up those all-important reminders. Hover your cursor over to the app launcher, which is usually located at the top left corner of your screen. In the search bar, type Tasks, and you will see it listed under Items. Click on Tasks to open it. If you haven't created any tasks yet, it's time to create a new one. Click on the New Task button to get started. When setting up a new task, it's crucial to fill in the details accurately. Start with the subject line, which should clearly describe the task or reminder. Next, even though the task subtype might remain as none, pay special attention to the due date. This is where you decide when you'd like to be reminded. Let's say you had a deadline on October 12th or 13th. You can choose any date depending on your schedule or preference. You can also link the task to a contact. If the contact is already in your Salesforce, search and select it. If not, you can create a new contact right from there. In the comments section, you can add any additional notes or details that are pertinent to the task. Set the priority to high if it's crucial, and leave the status as open if it's still pending. Now here comes the crucial part. Setting the reminder. Salesforce allows you to set reminders that can notify you via email or through the Salesforce mobile app. Make sure your personal settings are configured to get these notifications in your preferred way. Choose the reminder date, which could be the same as your due date or earlier, to give you a heads up. After filling in all the details, click on Save, and just like that, your reminder is set. You can create as many tasks and reminders as needed to keep track of everything. If you have specific conditions, such as following up with a lead after a certain period, you can set up workflow rules to send email reminders automatically. Additionally, if you are using the Salesforce mobile app, you can set reminders for tasks and events directly from your mobile device. This feature is incredibly convenient when you're on the go and need to manage your tasks remotely. By following these steps, you can effectively set reminders within Salesforce, ensuring you stay on top of your tasks and never miss an important follow-up again. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to set reminders in Salesforce and stay on top of follow-ups. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online.